Are you looking for a business opportunity with massive growth potential? Ever wondered how batteries power everything from your smartphone to electric vehicles? Curious about how you can tap into the booming battery market in India? Want to know the secrets behind setting up a successful battery manufacturing business? Stick around, because we at Market Research Universe are here about to answer all these questions and more. Batteries are crucial for a wide range of applications. They power our everyday devices like smartphones, laptops, and even household appliances. More importantly, they are the backbone of electric vehicles and renewable energy storage systems. With initiatives like the faster adoption and manufacturing of hybrid and electric vehicles scheme and the National Electric Mobility Mission Plan, there are substantial incentives for adopting electric vehicles. This, in turn, boosts the demand for batteries. According to Market Research Universe's recent report, the battery market in India is expected to reach over $17.5 billion by 2030, growing at a compound annual growth rate of above 15% from 2024 to 2030. This video is a part of the Startup Business Plan reports by Market Research Universe. Startup Business Plan Report is a one-of-a-kind syndicated research report created and designed by Market Research Universe, keeping in mind first-generation entrepreneurs, aspiring businessmen, and existing businesses to help them to avoid business failure, selecting the right business plan, before they start investing their valuable time and hard-earned money on it. So, let's get started. Battery manufacturing is all about converting raw materials into energy-storing powerhouses. It's a meticulous process involving raw material preparation, battery cell assembly, electrolyte filling, and precise sealing. And of course, every battery undergoes rigorous testing to meet top-notch quality standards. From lithium-ion batteries powering electric vehicles to lead-acid batteries used in industrial equipment and nickel-metal hydride batteries found in hybrid cars, each type is designed for specific energy needs and applications. There are several types of batteries, each with its own advantages and applications. First, we have lead-acid batteries. These are commonly used in automotive and industrial applications. They are known for their reliability and ability to handle high discharge rates. Next, nickel-cadmium (NiCd) batteries. These are used in portable electronics and power tools. They have a long cycle life but are less environmentally friendly. Then we have nickel-metal hydride (NiMH) batteries. These are often used in hybrid vehicles and consumer electronics. They offer a good balance between cost and performance. Finally, lithium-ion (Li-ion) batteries. These are widely used in smartphones, laptops, and electric vehicles. They have a high energy density and are lightweight, making them ideal for portable applications. Now, let's talk about the market potential. According to Market Research Universe's recent report, the battery market in India is expected to reach over $17.5 billion by 2030, growing at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of above 15% from 2024 to 2030. This growth is driven by the increasing adoption of electric vehicles, EVs, renewable energy storage solutions, and supportive government policies aimed at reducing carbon emissions and promoting sustainable energy sources. Before starting any business, conducting thorough market research is crucial. This involves analyzing the demand for batteries in different sectors, understanding the competitive landscape, and assessing government policies and incentives. A feasibility study will help you evaluate the financial viability, including cost analysis and return on investment. Next, developing a comprehensive business plan is essential for outlining the strategic direction of your battery manufacturing business. The plan should include detailed sections on market analysis, organizational structure, product offerings, marketing strategies, and financial projections. It should also address operational aspects such as production processes, quality control measures, and supply chain management. A well-crafted business plan not only guides the business, but also helps in securing funding from investors and financial institutions. Starting a battery manufacturing business in India involves securing essential licenses and permits from local and government authorities. Key requirements include a trade license, GST registration, shop and establishment registration, and environmental and safety certifications. Engaging a chartered accountant or business consultant can streamline compliance and ensure proper documentation. Choosing the right location for your manufacturing facility is critical for operational efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Factors to consider include proximity to raw material suppliers, availability of skilled labor, transportation infrastructure, and access to utilities such as electricity and water. Industrial zones or special economic zones, often referred to as SEZs, provide incentives and benefits that can reduce operational costs. Conducting a location analysis can help identify the most suitable site for your manufacturing plant. Setting up a manufacturing facility involves designing the layout, installing machinery and equipment, and ensuring compliance with safety and environmental regulations. The facility should be equipped with state-of-the-art technology to enhance production efficiency and maintain high-quality standards. Investing in automation and advanced manufacturing techniques can reduce labor costs and increase output. Additionally, implementing robust safety protocols is essential to protect workers and minimize risks. The choice of machinery depends on the battery type. For lithium-ion batteries, key equipment includes mixers, coaters, assembly lines, and testing units. High-quality industry-standard machinery ensures product quality and efficiency, while regular maintenance prevents downtime and supports consistent production. Sourcing high-quality raw materials is vital for producing reliable and efficient batteries. Key raw materials for battery manufacturing include lithium, cobalt, nickel, and graphite for lithium-ion batteries, and lead and sulfuric acid for lead-acid batteries. Establishing strong relationships with suppliers and diversifying the supply chain can mitigate risks associated with raw material shortages and price fluctuations. Additionally, exploring local sourcing options can reduce dependency on imports and lower costs. The production process for batteries involves several stages, including material preparation, cell assembly, electrolyte filling, sealing, and testing. Each stage must be carefully monitored to ensure adherence to quality standards and specifications. Implementing lean manufacturing principles can optimize the production process, reduce waste, and improve efficiency. Continuous improvement initiatives and employee training programs can further enhance production capabilities and product quality. Maintaining high-quality standards is essential for the success of a battery manufacturing business. Implementing a robust quality control system involves regular inspections, testing, and validation of products at various stages of production. Quality control measures should comply with industry standards and regulatory requirements. Investing in advanced testing equipment and employing skilled quality control personnel can help identify defects early and ensure that only high-quality products reach the market. Building a skilled and motivated workforce is crucial for the smooth operation of a battery manufacturing business. This includes hiring engineers, technicians, quality control experts, and administrative staff. Providing regular training and development programs can enhance employee skills and productivity. Additionally, fostering a positive work environment and offering competitive compensation packages can help attract and retain top talent. Promoting battery products effectively requires robust marketing strategies, including digital campaigns, industry trade shows, and a strong online presence. Establishing a reliable distribution network through partnerships with wholesalers, retailers, and distributors ensures market availability. Providing after-sales support and warranty services strengthens customer satisfaction and loyalty. Identifying the target audience and understanding their needs is crucial for developing effective marketing strategies. Key consumer segments for batteries include automotive manufacturers, renewable energy companies, and consumer electronics manufacturers. Analyzing the competitive landscape involves identifying key players in the market, such as Exide Industries, Amara Raja Batteries, and Tata Chemicals. and understanding their strengths and weaknesses. This information can help in positioning your products effectively and gaining a competitive edge. Starting a battery manufacturing business in India comes with several challenges, including high initial investment costs, regulatory compliance, and competition from established players. However, drivers such as increasing demand for electric vehicles, government incentives, and advancements in battery technology present significant growth opportunities. Addressing challenges through strategic planning, innovation, and continuous improvement can help overcome obstacles and drive business success. Effective financial management is vital for a business's profitability and sustainability. This includes strategic budgeting, cost control, and financial forecasting, supported by robust accounting systems and regular performance reviews. Securing funding through investors, banks, or government schemes ensures the capital needed for growth. Launching a battery manufacturing business in India demands strategic planning, market adaptation, and a focus on quality and innovation. Additionally, with the Startup Business Plan report, we provide supplementary services including startup mentorship and consultation for clients, and digital marketing services for brand promotion are offered by us to support the business through every stage of development. From initial planning to securing funding and ongoing mentorship, including startup mentorship and consultation for continued growth and success, digital marketing services for brand promotion, company registration, incorporation services, business presentation, investor pitch deck, creating services, pitch deck review, demo day preparation, curating the pitch script, grooming the founder, building the final pitch deck for presentation on demo day, and application assistance for bank loans and government grants. Let's embark on the journey to establish a thriving business together. Visit www.marketresearchuniverse.com to know more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more business insights. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your business journey.